Hello everyone, I am Nita Bhalchandra Dave, student from Design Training Consistency of Dhankole. Today I will share video on technical topics in which the topic are the heart cardiac cycle. Heart cardiac cycles. Heart cardiac cycle, these are the part of the circulatory system. The circulatory system or blood circulatory system consists of the heart, which act as a pump and pump of the blood to blood vessels through which the blood circulates. The main blood vessels in which the arteries, veins and capillaries. Arteries are the blood vessels carry blood away from the heart, and veins are blood vessels that transfer the blood to the heart, and smallest arteries and veins, which are the branches to smaller branches, is called as capillaries. There are the functions of the circulatory system. Transportations of blood, protect the internal organ and maintains the homeostasis. Circulatory system in which there are the two components, heart and blood vessels. Heart are the powerful organ in the cardiac cycles. There are the four layers: epicardium, myocardium, endocardium and pericardium layers. Heart have the four chambers: two atriums and two ventricles. The left sides of the atrium and ventricle, which are present the deoxygenated bloods, and right sides of the ventricle and atrium, in which present the oxygenated blood. The pulmonary artery is the transport the blood to left ventricles to the lungs, and pulmonary veins, which are collect the blood from left ventricles to whole body parts. These are the main two arteries in the human heart. Right atrium, in which the right atrium and right ventricle, in which present the tricuspid valves, and left atrium and left ventricles, in which present the bicuspid valve, and which these are the act as on one side's doors. There are the blood vessels in which the arteries, capillaries and veins. Arteries are carry blood away from the heart, and these are the carries blood by highly oxygenated, and these are the exception pulmonary arteries, and largest arteries in the human heart is aorta, and arteries is the thick walled, and lumen is the thin and smaller, and capillary is the smallest and branches structures of the veins and arteries is called capillaries, and veins is the blood towards the hearts, which are carries deoxygenated bloods, and veins in which the accepted pulmonary veins is which carries the oxygenated bloods, and largest vein in the human heart is the inferior vena cava, and these are the thin wall, and lumen is the large, and left atrium and ventricle, in which difference are atrium is the receiving chamber, and ventricle is the pumping chamber. Atrium is the thin wall, and ventricles is the thick wall, and atrium is the smaller size and ventricle is the largest size, and ventricles is the which are connected to the other capillaries, blood vessels, etc. And next to the mechanism of the human heart. Human heart are the two human hearts are the two mechanism, pulmonary circulation and systemic circulation. Pulmonary circulation means transports of blood heart to lungs, in which the transport the deoxygenated blood from right atrium to right ventricles, and then these are the transport to the deoxygenated blood which are purified to transport the lungs, and which are transport the lungs are the superior vena cava, which are transport the blood from left ventricles to the lungs. And where the blood and in which where the blood pick up and returns to the left sides of the hearts, and these are the bloods are purified, then this side lungs to bloods are transferred to the left atrium. Next to the systemic circulation in which the hearts to rest systemic circulation are work to hearts to rest of the body, and it carries highly oxygenated blood from the left side to the heart to whole body part, with the help of pulmonary arteries. And in which the systemic circulation in which the removes the wastage from the body tissues, and these are the return to deoxygenated blood to right sides of the heart. And in left atrium and left ventricles of the heart are the pumping chambers for the systemic circulation loops, and systemic circulation in which the bloods are transferred to heart to whole body parts, with the help of superior vena cava. And next to the human cardiac cycle. Cardiac cycles are cardiac cycle in which the heartbeats are in which the two heartbeats, lub and dub sound heartbeats. Lub sounds which are produced by the atrioventricular walls is closed, and dub sound is produced by the semilunar walls is closed. Production of sound to by opening and closing of the heart wall, then this time produce the sounds of the hearts. And next to the cardiac output means total volume of blood produced by heart in per minute is called a cardiac output. Cardiac output is equal to heart volume into heart rate into blood pressure is called a cardiac output. And cardiac cycle is the sequential event in the heart which are the socially suspected are as called a cardiac cycle. Cardiac cycle include as an active phase is a systolic pressure, and resting phase is also called as diastolic, which are cardiac cycle which are depends upon the atria and ventricular contraction and relaxation. Contraction phase is called a systole, and relaxation phase is called a diastole. And total cardiac cycle is 0.8 second, and the cardiac cycle in which are the 4 pacemaker, SA node, AV node, bundle of sheath, and Purkinje fibers. SA nodes which are present in the left sides of the heart, and these are produce the sinus in the provide sinus in the right atrium, and then these times are the contractions of the atria is called systoles. And then right atrium to right ventricles which are produce sinus. Then this time relaxation of the ventricles is also called as diastole. Diastole, these are the depends upon the atria and ventricular contraction and relaxation phase. And these are all information about the human heart cardiac cycle. Thank you so much.